We're checking out the Apple Watch SE3, featuring smart fitness tracking, seamless iPhone connectivity, and a sleek, lightweight design. With smooth performance, useful health features, and all-day convenience, it's perfect for everyday life and workouts. What's in the box? In the box, you find the Apple Watch SE3, Sport Band, magnetic fast charger to USB-C cable, and user manual. How to pair. To set up the Apple Watch SE3, press and hold the side button to turn it on, then open the Watch app on your iPhone and tap Start Pairing. Scan the watch screen with your iPhone camera, then choose to set it up as new or restore from a backup, and select your preferred wrist. Next, agree to the terms, create a passcode if desired, customize display settings, and optionally enable features such as sleep tracking and noise monitoring. After setup finishes, tap Done, and your Apple Watch will be ready to use. How to charge. The Apple Watch SE3 charges using a USB-C cable on one end and a magnetic charging pad on the other. To charge it, connect the USB-C end to a compatible wall charger, not included, and plug it into a power outlet. Then simply place the white magnetic side on the back of the Apple Watch and it will automatically attach and start charging. The strong magnetic connection also helps hold the watch securely in place while it charges. Smart features? Delivers fast and smooth performance with quick app loading and responsive navigation. Ensures efficient multitasking and a lag-free experience for everyday use and fitness tracking. Tracks your heart rate, sleep quality, and daily activity with accurate real-time monitoring. Helps you stay fit and healthy with detailed workout modes and wellness insights throughout the day. Shows clear and bright visuals so you can easily check time, notifications, and workouts at a glance. Maintains visibility in all lighting conditions with smooth, sharp, and energy-efficient screen performance. Includes emergency alerts, fall detection, and crash detection to help in critical situations. Keeps you protected by automatically alerting emergency services when serious incidents are detected. Delivers long-lasting battery life to keep you powered throughout the day with normal usage. Supports fast charging so you can quickly top up and get back to using your watch in less time. Specifications. Safety precautions. Want to grab the Apple Watch SE3 from Amazon? Just tap on the link in the description below. That's it for today's video. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and check the link below to grab your Apple Watch SE3. See you at the next one.